Good morning, children. How are you? Today, we are going to learn about our sense organs. Our sense organs. You see, how do we know about the sun and the moon? Do you know about the sun and moon? Yes, we know. How? Where is the sun and where is the moon? Yes, sun and moon are in the where? The sky. How do you know? Means by looking. Yes, children? Yes. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Next, how do we know that ice is so cool? Yes. Do you like ice cream, children? Yes, everybody likes. How is that? It is very cool. How do you know? How do you know it is very cool? By touching. By touching with our hand. So here skin help us to know the thing whether it is cool or hot. Yes, children? Yeah. Next, how do we know about the fragrance of a flower? See, how like fragrance of a jasmine or rose or different flowers? Yes, they have nice smell. They have nice smell. How do you know that smell is good or some smell is bad? With the help of our nose, we can smell. Understand, children? Next, how do we know that a lemon is so sour? Yeah, lemon. Yes, in the summer we drink lemon water. That is what we call sharbat. Yes, children. How is that? It is very tasty. At the same time, it is so sour. How do you know? By taste with our tongue. By taste with our tongue. We can know the taste of things, different foods or something. They are sweet or sour or bitter or something. Understand, children? Yes. So we can know the taste with our tongue. Next, laughter of our friends and the ringing school bell. How do we know? Is there anyone to tell? Yes. You see, children, I am telling lesson now. You are listening with your ears. Yes. With our ears, we can hear sounds. Laugh of our friends. Ringing school bell. My teaching or calling by someone. Understand, children? Yeah. If anybody calls you, you can hear with your ears. So finally, we hear with our ears. Understand, children? Yes. Next, you see, these are the sense organs: tongue, eye, ear, nose, and skin. Understand, children? So these are what? Sense organs. What are sense organs? Sense organs means organs which are helping to know around us, called sense organs. So by these sense organs, we can know what is happening around us. Understand, children? We can know. Next. Next. So we do one activity. To close your eyes for 2 minutes. Try to move about the room. Do you have any difficulty? Yes, you do one thing. Close your eyes. Understand? Completely close your eyes with clean kerchief or clean cloths like that. So now what you have to do is try to move in the room. Try to take something. How do you feel? Do you have any difficulty now? Or easy to go, or easy to take something without looking with our eyes? Is it good? Yes. So by closing our eyes, we can't see things. We can't see what is happening around us. We can't see our surroundings. We can't move freely. We feel difficult. Yes, children? Now, open your eyes. What can you do now which you could not do with your eyes closed? So now, open your eyes and same things now you can do. Yes, we can easily go to anywhere, easily to take anything, because we are looking now. We are opened our eyes. We can see easily. We can take, we can move anything because we are looking with our eyes. What do our eyes do for us? Yes, simple. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Our eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to see around. Okay, children? Yes, this is what eyes. See how beautiful eyes. We also having beautiful eyes. Take care of these eyes. Very sensible organs. Understand, children? Wash regularly. So take care of these eyes. Next, activity 2. Close the eyes of one student with the help of a clean cloth or a hanky. Let the other student call her on by one from different direction. Is he able to tell who he is calling and from where? Yeah, you see, children. We do another activity. Same. Close your eyes with your one of your students with clean cloth or a hanky, and ask other students or other children, other friend, to call you from different direction. There are 4 directions, huh? So call from the different direction. Is she or he able to tell who is calling and from where? Yes, they can tell because they hear voice of who is calling. We recognize that voice. Understand, children? You can easily recognize your voice because daily we are hear our friend's voice. Understand, children? That's why we can tell easily who is calling from where also. With the help of ears. Yes. Here's the question. What do the ears do for us? Means ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear the sound around us. Understand, children? Yes.